Hello everyone, my name is Scott Smith from C&S Cleaning Services. I have one of my trucks right here, and I want to show you guys what we're doing here in Meadville with all of these windows, especially at night. So we're able to do this at night while no one's here because the inside of the building is lighted. But typically when we come and clean your home's windows, it'll be during the daytime or at the very latest in the evening. But so as you guys already know, if you're a client of ours, you know that we invest very heavily into equipment and technology and training for our staff. This is one of those deals where technology has been amazing. And why I say that is because this is a window cleaning system that uses no chemicals, none at all. But it does use a very sophisticated pure water system that takes ordinary tap water and it filters it down to such a point that it acts like a solvent. Now, why I say that is that's what it's made for. So window cleaning done traditional method with a mop and squeegee that you typically see usually uses a soap to let the squeegee glide on the glass. Well, a lot of times it leaves a little bit of residue around the edges, but also it's leaving a real thin film of that soap on the glass and all the little pores and scratches in the glass. And what that does over time, it actually attracts soil. It makes soil stick on your glass. And a lot of times when we're taking over a job that's done traditionally, you'll see a lot of the haze that was there just come right off. And the reason is this pure water strips all that cleaner that was on the glass back off along with all the soil that's on there and a trace amount of mineral that just gets on there with ordinary dust and dirt and pollution. So that being said, this is pure water, okay? I just have the line kinked right here, but I just want to show you guys this is pure water and it's safe enough to drink. Okay, so that being said, I'm going to go ahead and clean this middle window right here, and I'm going to show you guys how it's done. Essentially, you scrub up the edges of the windows first, you fill it in, and the whole time water is flowing through a special brush that we have. Okay, and this special brush, as we're cleaning, is flushing all the dirt and soil and residue off the glass. And that soil and residue just goes on the ground because there's no chemicals in here. There's nothing, no safety hazards, no hazards to your pets, no chemicals, nothing. So all of that soil comes down, and then I'll do a final rinse from the top all the way clear across the glass to the bottom, and that'll carry any trace amount of, dirt, residue, pollution, bugs, cobwebs, whatever off the glass, so that glass is perfectly clean, just like it was when it came from the factory. Now, when this water dries, there's no mineral in it. So those watermarks you commonly see even in like your shower or around your sink in your kitchen, those aren't going to be there because there's no mineral in the water. None at all. So yeah, this is us investing in technology that helps you guys live a better life with less hassle. Because cleaning your windows continuously, we know, can be a pain. So most clients get their windows clean spring and fall, and that's all you really need. So, all right, let's go ahead. I'm going to show you how to do this, and keep watching. The scrubbing part is now done. Let's go ahead and start rinsing. Rinse the edges first. And fill it in. Let that water cascade down the glass and carry all the dirt with it. Okay. So that's window cleaning by C&S Cleaning. So if you guys want perfectly clean windows without the use of harsh chemicals, soaps, detergents, fear of your pets or your kids getting into it, just know that you can always call us here at C&S Cleaning, 814-547-1848, or you can always go right onto our website, which is When Clean Counts, just like it says, whencleancounts.com. Click book online, select how many exterior windows you have, and you'll be just put in your information and place your order, and we'll get you put right on our schedule. It's just that easy. So I hope you guys learned something, but just know that to be expected from C&S Cleaning, we invest heavily in training, heavily in equipment, and heavily into state-of-the-art equipment and certifications. So if you guys want the best you can get, I expect to hear from you. Thanks.